Hello and welcome to my look at AtlasCapital FX. This is a Forex brokerage firm out of Limassol, Cyprus. The company is a member of Atlas Group, one of the largest conglomerates in southeastern Europe. It has 20 years of experience in investments in commercial banking as well as real estate investments, that type of things. So because of that, the brokerage firm is well capitalized because it's got money backing it to begin with. It is a member of the SciSec regulation. It's also MIFID directive compliant, so we have all of that. It also provides traditional services like global custodianship to investment banks, broker dealers, investment by institutional investors, mutual funds, corporate entities, and of course, private investors. They do offer several different trading accounts, and for example, some of them include fixed spreads, floating spreads, straight through processing, Islamic raw spread accounts. There are quite a bit of options there as far as spreads are concerned. Typical spread, like on a mini account, is going to be 2.2 for the euro, which it's okay. It does have a minimum deposit of just $50, so that's one major advantage. The ECN account needs 10,000. The standard account is 5,000. Of course, the higher the deposit, the lower the spread on the euro dollar. They also offer metals, gold and silver. And the margin there is going to be a little bit different. Margin of Forex is 1 to 500, which is pretty strong. But you can see that there's like a graduated schedule here in the metals. And that makes sense because metals can move quite violently, and the broker is protecting itself if you have like over 300 lots, obviously, and margin drops down. The trading platform that they use is MetaTrader 4, as you would expect. They also have like the PAM version, the multi-terminal version. So therefore, they have a lot of different flavors of MetaTrader 4. Most of you should be familiar with it, understand the ideas of how good MetaTrader 4 is, how many add-ons there are out there. It is without a doubt the world's most well-traveled platform. Now, payment methods, they have a ton. And on the portal, they allow deposits and withdrawals with no fees charged, which is huge. And some of the ones that they offer are credit and debit cards, of course, WebMoney, Skrill, NetTeller, Cashew, Wire Transfer, DixiePay, NetBanks, FastPay, UnionPay, and Perfect Money. So by sending $100, for example, and getting $100 directly in your account, that does make a huge difference. Now, they do have an extras area, but the Academy, as you can see, it just looks like it's almost like a afterthought, if you will. Like, I don't know if they're still just building it or how that's playing out, because like you can see that there's a skeleton for it, but there's really not much here. So, quite frankly, I don't know that this is going to be a brokerage that a lot of people will choose. It seems like they're just kind of getting on their feet, possibly, even though they've been around since 2007. So the website, I don't know, there's something about it. It just doesn't seem like it's complete. If you're looking for MetaTrader 4, you can find that anywhere. The spreads you can find anywhere. The leverage is a little bit higher. So there's that one advantage. But AtlasCapital FX has been around for over 10 years, so that does help. But the Academy, like I said, seems a bit unfinished. So I'm not sure if that's something that they're in the process of doing or what, but you may want to check this out at the time of viewing.